Hello, welcome to Learning Converse. In this video, I will explain to you step by step an easy and beginner-friendly tutorial on how to create kids' animation educational videos in just minutes. Creating this kind of kid educational videos, you'll be able to earn above $800 per day. Before we get started, here is an example of a YouTube video that I will teach you to create with an easy step-by-step process.
Hi kiddos! Let's learn the fruits! Ready? Let's start! Apple! Apple!
Now, let's see how this kid's educational channel uploads these kinds of videos with millions of views and their earnings. Here is an example channel. This channel has around 1.5 million subscribers and 168 videos at the time of creating this tutorial. Here you can see the performance of this channel and views on each video. Amazing! Their first video has around 80 million views, followed by videos with 74 million, 65 million, 60 million, 35 million, and 22 million views. Wow! More views mean more earnings, and this shows how this channel and kids' educational videos are getting views. This channel gets around 800,000 views per day, and according to Social Blade, their monthly earnings are about $8K USD to 77K USD, with yearly earnings around 57K to 922K USD. Before we jump into the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. To understand the complete process, watch this tutorial to the end, where I will show the complete video just like we have seen above. Let's begin. To create these kinds of educational animated videos, you need to follow these 6 steps. Writing the script is easy, and for this, we will use the free AI tool ChatGPT. If you don't know about ChatGPT, the link is given in the description. Once we open ChatGPT, we need to write the prompt for our video. First, let's ask ChatGPT to give ideas for kids' educational videos. Write the prompt like this. Need an animated educational video topic idea for kids that can be easily created using Canva with 2D animations. You can change it according to your needs. We can see here a number of kids' educational topics, and you can select one to create the video. Ask ChatGPT again for the detailed script. If you don't like these topics, click Regenerate Response. You can select one from these topics or ask about any topic idea on your mind. Now let's generate the script for the video we've seen before about the fruits and vegetables names. Write the prompt like this. Write a script for a simple 2D kids animated educational video that I can create in Canva about fruits and vegetables names. Write the script for each fruit and vegetable individually. Also, suggest scenes for the video. Here we have our script and scenes for each step. Create the video elements, we can easily use Canva. You can use Canva's free version, and for advanced characters, you can use the Pro version as well. The Canva link is given in the description. Open Canva, click on the Videos section, and select YouTube videos. Here we have a blank page for YouTube video size. Using our first scene from ChatGPT, a garden-type background, let's click on Elements, type Garden Background, and choose from the graphics options. Here we have different backgrounds. Select the one suitable for your video, like this. Right-click and set the image as a background. We need to make this background lively and realistic, as we are making the video for kids, so it's important. Let's add elements. First, type bee in the search box and check for animated flying bees. Here we have a flying bee. Click on it to add to the background, make it small by dragging, and then move it to the appropriate position. Add a motion effect animation like this. Very easy, isn't it? Next, add other elements like a butterfly. Add it to the background, duplicate it, and place them in appropriate locations. Now, let's add some flying birds, add a bird into the scene, make them small, and move them to the appropriate position in the background. Change the direction by clicking Flip and then Flip Horizontal. Then create duplicate birds and position them. Select all 3 birds and group them. Click on Animate to create animations that show them flying like this. We can further make them smooth and steady by choosing these options. Now add some trees, like this, and duplicate them. Now our background is ready, so let's add the video elements. From the ChatGPT script, we have apple, carrot, banana, broccoli, strawberry, and tomato. Let's go back to Canva and add these animated elements to the background. First, search for an apple with a face, and here we have different animated apples with laughing faces. Add this apple to the scene, and now add this apple to the scene, and now add a carrot with a face, which is available here to the scene. Let's add all the elements: banana, broccoli, strawberry, and tomato. Our next step is to animate the character elements. Select the element, click on Animate, and choose an animation effect you like, such as pop. Then add motion effects like wiggle. You can do this for each element individually, or select all elements, click Animate, and apply the animation and motion effects to all elements. Now our first scene is ready. For the next scene from ChatGPT featuring the apple, we need to create a garden-type background with apple trees. Let's go to Canva again, search for garden background, and add it to the new page. Next, search for apple trees and add them to the scene, making duplicates as much as you want. Add some apples in the scene as well for visual appeal. To introduce the apple, add a box and the name of the fruit. First, add a shape and set it in the appropriate position. Using a red color since we are introducing a red apple. Duplicate the shape and change the color to black for proper visibility. Duplicate the shape one more time to write the name of the fruit. Set all these shapes. This is a one-time effort. And then for other scenes, we just need to duplicate the page. Now, search for an element representing an apple, and this time add a photo to show a real image instead of a graphic. Place the apple into the box and adjust its size. Next, click on the text tool and add the text for apple. Make the text colorful for kids' attraction like this. You can change the text font and color according to your choice. Now add an animated apple falling from the tree. For this, search for an apple with a face and add it into the scene. Next, move it near the apple tree. Click Animate and create an animation to show the apple falling from the tree. For the next scene, which involves adding a carrot, right-click on the page and duplicate it. Delete all the elements related to the previous scene and add the carrot elements and related text. First, change the box color to carrot orange and add the carrots into the scene. Modify the name to carrot. Add more carrots for engagement. And you can remove the background from a photo by clicking the BG remover in Canva. Similarly, create scenes for other elements. To add voices, you can record your own voice using a mobile phone, or we can generate voiceovers for free using an AI tool that sounds similar to human voices. For this, we'll use ElevenLab. You can use it for free and for more voices. Consider subscribing to the Pro version. Log into ElevenLab with your Google account and click Get Started. Use the text-to-speech option and paste the ChatGPT-generated text for each scene into the text box. Select a character for speech, compare various options, and choose the best one for kids. For example, the Gigi character is fantastic for kids. We'll choose this one.
Happiness can exist only in acceptance.
Click Generate Speech and download the voice. Save it to a directory. Repeat this process for each scene's text.
Hello, little explorers. Today, we're going on a fruity and veggie adventure. Let's find out the names of some delicious and healthy foods.
Next, return to Canva and add the voices for each scene. Click on Upload, select the voice files generated from ElevenLab, and upload to Canva. Select the first voice, drag it below the first scene on the timeline, and adjust the scene according to the voice length. Continue this process for all scenes. Now it's time to add background music. You can use background music from Canva, YouTube Library, Pixabay, or any other platform providing royalty-free music. In Canva, search for kids' music and browse the options. Or visit Pixabay and search for kids' music there. Once you find a suitable track, download it. Return to Canva, upload the music, and drag it onto the timeline. Lower the background music volume to around 20 for a balanced audio experience. Our final step is to export the video and upload it to YouTube. To do this, click Share, then Download, and select the MP4 format. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you found this tutorial helpful. See you again soon!